is the...
Thank you.
The reality is, I'm an idiot. People do incredibly stupid stuff when they get behind the wheel of a car.
High five!
Okay.
A maniac came the other way.
Get out of the car!
Calm down, you hooligan.
Seconds later.
A high-speed chase has ended with a car belonging to undercover police officers.
We made this one up.
What are you doing? You can't take up both lanes.
Yes, we can.
It's all right, mate. You can't park there, sir. You've been drinking driving.
Honestly, I've only had a few ales.
Oh, don't stop. We can all make this. You are such a piece.
Anything's possible. Anything's possible!
Stop it. Get some help.
Very, very close call with that car there. Very close call there, very close.
The Chevy Corvette, the best car in the world.
It's dramatic, crystal clear, so overly sophisticated.
Yeah, man.
No.
You may be able to help solve a mystery.
Something is wrong here.
Police have seized 3 tons of cocaine and arrested 12 people. The drugs were going to be sold to a group of traffickers. The 12 people arrested, including those transporting the drugs.
You are fake news.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Fatality.
You have reached your destination.
Still, a better love story than Twilight.
Good job. Good job. Really good job.
That's illegal.
Mincemeat by now. What have I told you?
All right, I guess I wasn't thinking.
Stop. Can you enhance the image from here?
Okay.
No, you moron.
You're so ugly you could be a modern art masterpiece.
Oh yeah, this is nice. Very beautiful.
Thank you.